calendar year. And before we have the fourth one, which is the R500 CPU, that's also coming this calendar year.
I have a bit of question because sometimes we look at your service sector is not enough in the total expenditure in India. What is your target in service sector?
So clearly we have now added additional sales and service centers. But now we are present over 10 places across the east, and we'll continue to keep looking at gaps there are. In fact, today is our latest edition. We have the Austin Calcutta dealership here, beautiful sales and service. So we will continue to get closer to our customer and add service centers. But we do believe now we have significant presence in the east.
Can customer get spare parts from this dealer?
Yes, of course. The top 200 parts are going to be available at any point of time, and then any part, we also have the back end in Chakan warehouse, where any part from here more.
দাঁড়া রে বাবা দাদা